Ma, tengo hambre, comida.
Chico, baja entonces que se enfría. Bienvenidos Life Recipes with Zulma. Ya terminaste de comer. ¿Y la bola? No está la bola. Allí, acá. All right, Perla's done eating. I got my apron on. Gonna wash my hands. Happy Friday! Welcome back to mi cocina. Today I will be making a very fun and delicious dish, taco bites. You're gonna love them. All right, let's start. The first step consists of preheating the oven to 350. Then you get yourself a cupcake or muffin pan. And so it won't stick, you're gonna use olive spray. I have grapeseed oil. And I have olive oil spray. And lastly, Wonton Wrappers, which you're gonna use to mold each cup. You're gonna put it in the oven and wait for about 5 to 8 minutes or until the crust is lightly brown. So for the last step, we're gonna fill the wonton wrappers with fish, spinach, cilantro, tomatoes, coleslaw, and it's optional, but it's yummy. Cheesy cheese. And last but not least, sour cream. Yeah.
Amigos, amigas.
Well, we're pretty much done here. You can top it up with salsa and avocado. Please make sure you like, you subscribe, you share with your homies, your family, your friends. Go crazy, people. Yay. Stay tuned for next video on Monday. And I hope you have a great weekend. Bon appetit. Espérate, la salsa.
Oh.
Salsa y avocado. Salsa y aguacate. Échale salsita. Y aguacate encima. ¿Te gusta?
Delicioso.
Está bueno, ¿verdad? Yo quiero también.
Bueno para los juegos de fútbol.
Oh, mano, qué rico.
Sabroso, te la comiste.